In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get TikTok stream key for OBS. Nowadays, TikTok has made it much easier for creators to get their stream key for OBS, but it's still not automatically available to every account. A TikTok stream key lets you go live using streaming software like OBS, Streamlabs, or Prism Live. So you can use overlays, alerts, and professional quality setups rather than just your phone camera. Here's the full updated guide. The first step is to make sure your TikTok account qualifies for streaming. You need at least 1000 followers to unlock the Go Live button. And in some regions, TikTok also requires that your account is in good standing, no recent violations, and that you're over 18 years old. Once you have access, update your TikTok app to the latest 2025 version, because the Live Center features including stream keys are being rolled out more broadly this year. To get your stream key, go to TikTok on a desktop browser and log in at livecenter.tiktokglobalshop.com or tiktok.com/live, depending on your region. Once inside the TikTok Live Studio dashboard, you'll see the option to set up a new live stream. When you choose streaming software instead of camera, TikTok will generate your unique server URL and stream key. Copy these into OBS under Settings to Stream, then select Custom and paste in the details. This will link your OBS feed directly to TikTok. If you don't see the option, TikTok may not have activated stream keys on your account yet. In that case, you can apply through the TikTok Creator Program or join the TikTok Live Beta Program, both of which often approve stream key access faster. Another trick some creators use is trying TikTok's desktop app TikTok Live Studio. First, once you've streamed there, your account is often automatically flagged as eligible for stream keys. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.